Lesson 8. Today we will talk about lesson 8. The key concept of this lesson is stop and think. So, habit 1 remind us that between a stimulus and response there is a gap. Stimulus is when anything happens to you. This means that you have been stimulated to do something. For example, if your friend has, let's say, pushed you, this is a stimulus. How you will respond to this? This is a response. So it said that there is a gap between your stimulus and the response. So reactive people do not take care of this gap and they just respond immediately after they get the stimulus. Whereas the proactive people, they take care of this gap. If the stimulus happen, they stop and they think and then they respond. For example, if some of your friend has made a bad name of you, this is a stimulus. Now, before you respond to this thing, there is a gap where you have to stop and think that how you will respond. So the success is that if you make a habit of stopping between the gap and you make a habit of recognizing this gap between the stimulus and the response, you become a master of yourself. For example, if you have just seen a lizard on the wall, if you start screaming, you have ignored the gap between the stimulus and the response. So stimulus is you have seen something and response is once you start screaming. And we have to recognize about the gap in between these two things. So when we use this space, we are in control. This is means that you are in control of yourself. Different type of stimuli comes in life. All of our 5 senses are getting the stimulus from the outer world. But before responding, we need to recognize this gap and we have to stop, think, and then to respond. Now here is a partner talk exercise. Different stimulus are mentioned here and you have to respond how you will stop and then you will respond to these things. There is a little riddle at the end. The more you make, the more you leave behind. What are they? Just guess. Its answer is also written. And then there is a habit 1 summary also. So we are completing habit 1 at lesson 8. You have to apply your knowledge. You are now a responsible person. You must be taking initiative. So you choose your actions, attitudes, and mood. You do not blame others for any wrong actions. You do the right things without being asked, even when no one is looking. And this is just a recap what we are doing. And then we have learned that see, do, get about the perspective. Whatever we see, according to that we do, and then we get. So whatever our perspective is, we have to change our perspective, and then we have to implement see, do, act, see, do, get circle. So there is a simple exercise. So just finish this off and we have successfully completed habit 1. Then we will be moving to habit 2. Thank you.